Nowadays, an increasing number of people are choosing a small and budget-friendly office PC to save on both space and money. With a wide range of space-saving options available in the market, the size of computers is becoming smaller and smaller. ACEMAGIC is a company that aims to revolutionize the mini PC market with this one. This is the ACEMAGIC S1 Mini PC. Now, one way this bad boy sets itself apart from all of its competitors is by adorning its own intricated LCD display. While some may view it as a mere gimmick, I actually find that it adds a lot of functionality to a previously wasted space. The display provides crucial information like CPU power, temperature, memory load, and fan speed. I have tested my fair share of mini PCs, and this feature certainly stands out as an extra perk. It not only adds a futuristic touch to the design, but it also offers real-time system monitoring. Granted, more for interest than anything else, but still pretty good. Furthermore, you can customize the display information by accessing the pre-installed app. There, you can tailor it to your needs and interests. However, is the hardware in here even worth considering? Before we dive in, let me share some exciting news. AliExpress is at it again with another amazing promotion. It's indeed that time of year again, time to gear up for the new school year. Whether you're a student getting ready to hit the books or a parent looking to get the best deals, AliExpress has got you covered. From August 19th to August 25th, AliExpress is rolling out their back to school promotion with discounts of up to 70% off. This is the perfect opportunity to stock up on everything you need, from stylish new outfits and essential school supplies to the latest gadgets that will make learning a breeze. Trust me, you really don't want to miss out on these deals. But it gets even better. I've got some exclusive discount codes just for you. You can get up to £30 off your order. The codes are popping up on your screen and I've included them in the description below so you can grab those extra savings. So why wait? Head over to AliExpress now and start shopping to make this school year your best one yet. And with that all said, let's first start by unboxing this product and see what we're in for. So unboxing the S1 Mini, and we do get a few things to help us get this up and running. We get a power supply, a short HDMI cable, and a magnetic stand for vertical operation. Now, before we dive into the performance and hardware, let's take a quick look at the design and exterior of the ACEMAGIC S1. This device is primarily constructed of plastic, but it does feel sturdy and of a good quality. Despite the lack of any other materials, the device seems to be well built. Now, the S1 Mini PC can be used both vertically and horizontally. The stand is fixed to the main device through a magnetic connector, which means that the device takes up significantly less desktop space. When used horizontally, the ACEMAGIC S1 has a footprint of around 12.4 by 12.8 centimeters, which no doubt is slightly larger than other mini PCs available in the market, but certainly still a very small form factor. Thanks to its copper pipes and bottom ventilation design, the S1 handles heat management quite well, maintaining low noise levels even under a full load. This may be an essential purchasing factor for someone who wants a basic yet quiet operating system. Now, this guy does offer a fairly good selection of connectivity options. We have 4 USB ports, 2 2.0s and 2 3.0 options. We also get 2 HDMI ports that allow 4K screens to be operated simultaneously, and we also get 2 LAN sockets and a basic auxiliary port. The benefit of dual gigabit Ethernet is especially useful if you want to use the device as a soft router, firewall, or file storage server in a home network. With dual gigabit Ethernet, you can expect faster and more reliable network connections, certainly making it easier to transfer data between devices. This is particularly useful if you want to have a lot of devices connected to your network, or if you frequently transfer large files between devices. In addition, using the device as a soft router, firewall, or file storage server can provide additional benefits for your home network. So this could prove to be a very versatile little companion. Now, as we mentioned earlier, we do get this nice small LCD on the front, along with some accent RGB lighting. When the S1 is turned off, the current time is displayed, and on the other hand, when the device is turned on, the most important system information is graphically displayed. The user's interface can be personalized via software to adapt to the user's preferences within predefined profiles. As we've established earlier, it can be used both horizontally and vertically, and that display orientation can be rotated accordingly. I do think the screen part of the device has been designed thoughtfully and with great attention to detail. I actually really like it. So in terms of performance, we do have an Intel N97 as the native quad-core processor. We also have 16GB of DDR4 RAM and 512GB of M2 SSD storage space. So as a base point, there are some pretty decent specs from a mini PC. Having 16GB of RAM and well over 500GB of storage is certainly a good start. Believe it or not, the ACEMAGIC S1 is relatively easy to upgrade to. The side flap can be removed without tools as it is only magnetically attached to the housing. In here, we could easily upgrade the storage. After testing the ACEMAGIC S1, it was found that it performs simple tasks pretty well. The mini PC can be used for various purposes such as video playback, office work, light photo editing, and much more, as long as the CPU is not overworked. The device's ability to handle day-to-day tasks such as web browsing, document editing, and file management is reflected in its benchmark scores too. It scored 1,126 in Geekbench CPU single core and 2,514 in multi-score. Now this indicates that while it may not be ideal for heavy computing, it is more than sufficient for common applications. Microsoft Office Suite runs smoothly on this device, and the S1 is also capable of handling multitasking and day-to-day office activities, as evidenced by its PC Mark score of 2,836. The S1 performs quite well when it comes to creative tasks such as photo editing on Photoshop or video editing on Premiere Pro. Now it maintains respectable performance levels even during these more demanding workloads. In fact, the device's Cinebench scores are 893 for multi-core performance and 894 for single-core performance. This is all indicative of its ability to handle light creative workloads with ease. Therefore, users can expect a smooth and efficient experience while working on creative products on this device. Obviously, if you start pushing it into the 4K video editing, you're going to see a lot of issues. It simply isn't made for that. When it comes to graphics, the Intel Ultra HD graphics is good enough for basic multimedia activities. However, it may not be suitable for gaming or activities that require high graphics performance. Now, obviously, no one goes into purchasing a mini PC with these intentions, if they are being realistic. However, in the performance of games, it really only got modest scores in Firestrike and TimeSpy benchmarks. Nonetheless, this is understandable since it is an entry-level mini PC. It is not for gaming, so do keep that in mind. Now, as mentioned, we do have two HDMI ports on this, which allows us to have support for two 4K dual monitor outputs. Not only are we enabling ourselves the ability to extend our workspace, but we are taking advantage of screen real estate for apps that benefit from this. Apps like Photoshop are simply amazing on this, as you can get two screens displaying two different things, optimizing your workspace overall. And although this isn't a high demanding computer, it can easily handle these little creative workflows. Now, all in all, there is no doubt that the S1 is not ideal for playing the latest video games or for performing demanding creative work. However, it is a strong option for anyone who needs a reliable machine for home office work, networking, and/or storage solutions. Its dual gigabit Ethernet compatibility combined with fast Wi-Fi and expandable storage makes it ideal for use as a file storage server or for managing home network security. Its modest performance in benchmark tests, as well as its practical features and affordable price, make it a great choice for those who want a versatile and budget-friendly entry-level mini PC. And just a quick reminder, AliExpress is running a school promotion with up to 70% off. Check out the site from the 19th to the 25th for amazing deals, and use the promo codes in the description for even bigger savings. And with that all said, be sure to check this product out in the link in the description. Let me know what you think. And as always, till next time.